Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your JBL Tune Flex with JBL application. Let's get started. As a first step, make sure that your headphones are connected to your phone via Bluetooth. And as a second step, download the JBL Headphones app. Now we click Open. And the first thing that we can see here is that this app would like to use Bluetooth. Here we would need to click on Allow. And as a next step, we got similar notification, which is saying that this app would like to send you notification. This one is optional. If you would like to get notification about your headphone, you can click Allow. I'll choose Don't Allow and click Get Started. Then we would need to accept the terms and conditions. And as you can see, the JBL app automatically have found my headphones. And I didn't even need to do anything. It automatically has connected to the app. So we can click Done, and here is it. Now your headphones has been successfully connected to the JBL app, and you can find a lot of interesting features and functions in here. And that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.